and a happy new year. Hello, I'm Ethan. I'm from La Cocina de Carolina, and I speak Spanish and English. We are making a gluten-free brownie, chocolate brownie. And we have 2 dark chocolates, eggs, and butter, and brown sugar, and almond flour. Ahora podemos empezar, mamá. You have to put the chocolate.
First, we gotta melt the butter.
Butter.
Okay. Muy bien.
Now, you have to use when you make it, just make sure you use a blue rubber spatula that says ERC. Okay? So everybody, it's melting now. We add chocolate.
Okay.
Now she breaks it into pieces. That's a chef and I'm a cook, so I think that's enough. Can I just eat one? See everyone? See everybody? So now we put what? The eggs in, right?
We wait until it is completely melted.
And then we put it in the blender, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then, you don't understand what she's saying. She only says, mm-hmm. We will do this. Look, you thought it looked like the brown, a little less brown, but it made it a little black. Now we're going to add 3 eggs in the mixer.
Okay.
Ready? First, let's wash the crocodile hands. Little by little, we're gonna add the brown sugar in the brownies. When the mix is like that, the eggs and the sugar, we add a little bit of flour, and then we put the chocolate. Now I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. Now the last step is to add the melted chocolate in the blender. Ready? Now we're gonna blend it again. I think we can put it in the oven now. Now, we are gonna put some cookies in there. I'm just joking, people. I'm just joking. Stay up there, Mezcla. You're okay to me. One, hooray! Come on, don't get that. Yes! Yahoo! I put a little bit of oil on the pan so the brownie doesn't stick to it. Great. Great. Mama, can I do it? Can I see in here? Wow, there's a lot more. Up there, up there. Up. It's up. It's up that has more. Up. Come on, Mommy. And there. So look look at this chocolate. It's gonna be yummy when you put it in. Oh, mm. 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 Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Yummy. It's yummy, yummy, yummy. Tummy, tummy, tummy. Si tú vienes a mi casa, puedes comerte esto. If you want to go to my house, you can, and you have to eat this. Oh. Now, it's time to wash it. Wash it. I'm a little dirty, but you are the brownies.